Britain is bracing for travel chaos during the morning rush hour as parts of the country are enveloped in a blanket of fog. Misty conditions has resulted in dozens of flight cancellations and is likely to cause hazards for motorists up until noon tomorrow, with a Met Office warning for southern and central England and eastern Wales telling of likely delays to buses, trains and flights. British Airways announced a number of short-haul flights had been cancelled today and urged customers to rebook on 2 services later this week. Flights between London Heathrow and destinations including Aberdeen, Geneva, Zurich and Berlin were axed this morning. A statement on the BA website read, "If you are due to fly to or from European destinations on Tuesday, you may choose to change your travel plans and rebook on 2 alternative flights up until Friday, December the 22nd. All flights were temporarily suspended at Manchester Airport yesterday evening because of heavy fog and a minor defect on a runway. A spokesman for the airport said Runway 1 has been closed for emergency repairs. Runway 2 meanwhile was also suspended because of thick fog. It followed a day of delays and flight cancellations because of patches of thick freezing fog. The switch from cold to milder conditions will cause a swirl of fog to blanket much of the UK, with commuters urged to double-check before travelling. The Met Office said, fog is expected to form widely across southern and central England and some eastern parts of Wales on Monday evening, persisting overnight into Tuesday. Slower journey times are likely with delays possible to bus and train services. Some delays or cancellations to flights are also possible. It comes as the chance of a white Christmas becomes increasingly unlikely as unsettled Atlantic weather moves in after the heavy frosts and snow, and brings conditions milder than parts of the Mediterranean. Temperatures could reach a balmy 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, in northeastern Scotland today, and 13 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Fahrenheit, in the West Midlands on Wednesday. The normal UK temperature for mid-December is 7 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, to 8 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. The figures compare with temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday of up to 13 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Fahrenheit, in Madrid and Athens, and 10 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, in Rome. It comes after the mercury fell last night to -4.6 degrees Celsius, 24 degrees Fahrenheit, in Topcliffe, North Yorkshire. Met Office forecaster Craig Snell said, "The cold northerly airflow which has dominated Britain's weather is moving out of the way and it's going to become changeable with periods of wet and windy weather, and drier conditions. The chances of a white Christmas are becoming less. The areas where it is most likely are now northern hills." Mr. Snell added, "In sheltered spots to the east of mountains, such as in northeastern Scotland, and in the West Midlands, we are likely to see the mildest temperatures where there are breaks in the cloud. From midweek, a north-south split is due to take place, with milder weather and some patchy rain in the south, and colder and brighter conditions in the north." Bookmaker Coral said it had taken one of its largest number of white Christmas bets on record, with Aberdeen the most likely at 2-1, followed by 3-1 for Newcastle, 4-1 Manchester, 5-1 Liverpool and 6-1 London. But with wet and windy conditions forecast to hit, the firm is offering 2-1 that this December is the wettest on record, as well as 1-2 that wind speeds reach over 100 miles per hour in mainland UK before the new year.